Good morning, class 5. I'm Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. Welcome back to our e-learning program. Today in this video lecture, we'll discuss about chapter 2, that is Animals World. In this video lecture, we will revise this chapter again. In the previous lectures, we had finished chapter 1, that is growing plants. Now in this chapter we'll study that animals live in different areas, and as per the areas they behave and they grow and they adapt as according to the areas. So first of all, environment, the environment they live, that is the surroundings of an organism is the environment of that organism. Like a fish lives in a water, a pigeon lives in sky or on the high buildings, or vultures lives in very high long trees. So this is their environment. Next comes the habitat, that is the area in which the organism grow naturally is called the habitat of that organism. So different animals lives in different environment or in different habitat, and as per the need of that environment they grow like that. So different animals have different type of body structure, and they have different type of body coverings also, depending upon their habitat, depending upon their environment, depending upon their surroundings. So let's discuss some of the body coverings of animals, the different type of body coverings of the animals. So let's the example of fish first of all. Fish is an aquatic animal. Fish lives inside the water. So the body covering of fish is as that it will get protected from the effect of water. Like the fish body is covered with scales which is flexible and overlapping. The scales are flexible and they are overlapping. The same way the body of reptiles like snake, crocodile and lizard also covered with scales. Their body also covered with scales which help them to protect themselves from their environment. The next type of animals are tortoise, snail or turtle. These animals have a hard shell. Their body is covered by a hard shell which protect them from their enemies. The next type of animals are birds. So we know that the body of birds are covered with a feather. The body of birds are covered with a feather which keep them warm and also help them in flying. Next comes the example of sheep and bear. Their body is covered with heavy fur which helps them to protect themselves from the cold atmosphere or cold environment. The next type of modification is the breathing organs. Different animals have different type of breathing organs. So let's discuss about that breathing organs. Breathing organs help in a very important process, and this process is called respiration. Animals absorb oxygen from the atmosphere with the help of their breathing organs, and then this oxygen is mixed with the blood and gives them energy. So this whole process is called respiration. The process in which oxygen combines with food and it releases carbon dioxide and energy is called respiration. So different animals have different type of breathing organs. Like those animals which are single cellular or very tiny organisms like amoeba and paramecium. So they have no special breathing organs, but they breathe with the help of their body surface. The insects, they have spiracles, that is air holes in their body through which they breathe oxygen from the atmosphere. Then comes the aquatic animals. These aquatic animals have gills like fish. They have gills. With the help of gills, they absorb oxygen from the water and release carbon dioxide in the water. So most of the aquatic animals have gills which have rich supply of blood vessels, and they absorb oxygen from the water and release carbon dioxide in the water. Then comes the amphibians. Then comes the amphibians. These amphibians have special type of breathing organs. Sometimes they have gills, sometimes they have lungs, and sometimes they breathe with the help of their body surface. The best example is frog. When frog moves inside the water, it starts breathing with the help of their moist skin. And when it comes on the surface of land, it starts breathing with the help of their lungs. So in this way, these amphibians breathe in water and on the land. The next type of animals are birds, mammals. So these animals breathe with the help of their lungs. These animals breathe with the help of their lungs. The internal structure of lungs are like balloon structure. When they breathe in, the air is filled in the balloon-like structure in the lungs, and from there it is absorbed in the blood, and blood will take the oxygen to the different body parts, and then again it carry back the carbon dioxide to the lungs, and from the lungs it will go outside with the help of breathing organs like nostrils. So in this way, mammals and birds breathe, or these are the breathing organs of some animals depending upon their habitat or depending upon their surroundings, environment. The same way, they have different type of body covers depending upon their environment and depending upon their habitat. So class, I hope you are able to understand the body coverings of the animals and the breathing organs of the animals, and why they have so much different type of breathing organs and so much different type of body coverings. See this video again and again. I hope you are able to understand the topic well. Have a great day. Be safe at home. Thank you, class.